Who am I? A question that all of us ponder at some point in our lives. But today, I'm here to give you a quick glimpse of the essence of me. Hi, I'm Joan Marasigan, 20 years old, and most people call me Jo.
Ano? Jo, ano? Ano ba? Ayaw mo na ba? Pagod ka na ba? Jo, ano? Ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na?
Pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod na!
Here's the couple things that I like to do. I love listening to music and also reading Wattpad stories. But do you know what I enjoy the most? Spending time with the people I call home. Going back to the question, who am I? I'm still discovering that, one journey at a time.
'Cause I'm falling slow.